Okay, we're live.
Alright. So let's also figure out what we're doing for this project, because I'm still kind of confused on this whole project. Like, I had to work yesterday.
Yeah, I just got to Vegas.
Oh yeah, that's why I didn't say this.
It's 110 degrees.
Why do people live in Vegas? Why doesn't everybody live in Wisconsin?
I don't know.
She's Reno Sparks.
But it's,
She's only No.
are you guys ready? Bernice, can you hear Austin?
Yes, I can.
Okay, good.
It was. Alright. Question 1. I got true. Question 2, I got true. Question 3. A symbol of the true population proportion in which of the following?
It's just P.
So that's the last P.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So 3.
And then for question 4 and 5, I got true. You can use that information to find the confidence interval and the hypothesis test.
Yeah. So question 6, I had 0.75.
Okay. 0.75.
Yeah, 0.75.
And then 7 for the margin of error, I got 0.109.
For question 7, I had 0.11.
For question 7?
Yeah, I had 0.11.
Oh, okay. I guess it still works for me. I got 0.109.
Oh, okay. I've already submitted mine.
For question 8, I got 0.64.
Yeah, I got the same. And question 9, I had 0.86.
Question 10, if you increase the sample size, it would decrease the width of the confidence interval.
Yeah.
Yeah, that makes sense.
And question 11, I had 20. 20.
Yeah, I got 20.
20.
20 also.
And then for question 12, to meet the requirements, it would be 100, the highest.
Yeah, the highest is 100.
13 is true.
13, I got true.
14, I got 0.475.
15, I had negative 2.282.
Yeah. Now for 16, I don't know why I got it wrong when I had the right tested statistic. I didn't get 16.
What did you get?
I got 0.023.
Okay, I had 0.011.
0.011.
Yeah.
Dang it. I already used both my tries.
Oh.
I know. It's okay. It's the only one I missed, so it's okay. But I just didn't know. I don't know why I got that wrong.
Oh.
I think I rejected the non-hypothesis.
Yeah, I got reject. And then for 18, it's the last question, or the last choice, D.
Here we go. Let's submit first.
Did you get 100?
Yeah.
Let me see.
I did.
Nice. Okay, so that's for this video. Do you guys want me to end this video so we can talk about the project?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
So you can send a link then.
Hey, Haley, can you unmute your phone?
I
And then,
muted it.
okay. Okay, cool. So now we can hear you guys today because it's freaking out. Okay.
Okay.
So, this project.
So, should I end this broadcast first?
Yeah.
No, we can do it on the broadcast.
Okay. So for the final, or have you guys looked at it, the project?
I haven't had a chance. I've been so busy with my other classes.
I'm opening it right now.
What week is it under?
It's under project.
Oh, group projects. Overdue. Describe the data. Great.
No, it's not overdue. She meant to write July 8th.
Oh, July 8th. Okay.
Yeah, so she said don't worry about that.
Oh, okay, cool.
We're doing design the study.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So click on that, the direction.
Haley, you're so on top of it.
Yeah, and then click on the project, and it will tell you what we need to let it load. A mosquito almost got me.
Okay, so are we just pretty much like doing statistics, like we go do a survey and then plot it and see how it is, or what exactly?
I guess.
Oh, here it is. Okay. Project must be approved by your teacher before you can collect any data. This means you Okay, so let's all just be thinking about stuff to do. We could test the absence of the Maris longus. It's like 20% of the population is missing one of their wrist flexor muscles, and we could use that for our. Yeah, you test it like that. We learned about it in our kinesiology class, so we could test for that. But I don't know. How about we'll study, we'll all look at this, we'll all come up with ideas, and we will reconvene next Tuesday because I guess this isn't due, right? This isn't due yet.
No, this is due Saturday.
This is due Saturday?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
We're
it's due
supposed to
Saturday.
meet yesterday, but we couldn't.
So we should do it right now,
Okay.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
We should start putting stuff together.
So
So-
let's ask the question.
So Austin, do you want to do what we studied in kinesiology?
I'm looking at the examples.
Okay.
It says you are to create your own research question based off the interest of the group. Here is a list of a few examples of previous studies to give you possible ideas. This list is not an exhaustive list. Please be creative in forming your research questions. There are 1,000 chips. Are there 1,000 chips in every bag of Chips Ahoy? Are brand A paper towels stronger than brand B? Is there a difference in the price of books at BYUI compared to those available online? Are men or women more likely to walk on grass if they're walking behind someone who walks on the grass? Okay, so it's pretty much we could do any research thing we want to do.
Yeah. And then we would have to find a research question. Let's go through the questions. What populations are you studying? What is your experiment unit? In other words, what is the smallest entity from which you are collecting a single piece of data? What is your response variable? Is your response variable quantitative or categorical? And then we have to have which statistical method you're trying to use, and what is your null and alternative hypothesis?
Okay, so this all has to be done by Saturday?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, there's still more questions too. There's a lot of questions.
So I
Okay.
guess you're supposed to do it as a group and submit it.
Yeah. Okay.
Wait, we need to get our project approved. Look at the very bottom.
No, we need to get our project approved before we collect any data.
Yeah, so we have to give her a question right now.
Yeah.
So what's
We have to come up. We have to do this.
let's send.
To gather a lot of data. So like the one of will somebody be more likely to walk on the grass if somebody else walks on the grass? It takes a long time to get that data. What if we did something really easy? Like, does somebody have this or does somebody not have this? Or do you guys have any idea?
Here's my Bernice, do you have a suggestion?
No, I don't know. I don't really know what we are supposed to do.
Okay, so I'm thinking, Austin, we do what we did in our class, because that was simple. I had an easy time asking people. You have people put their pinky to their thumb and flex their fingers, and you check to see if you can look it up if you want to see a closer version, and see if they have their palmars longest.
Is it palmars? I think it's palmars longest. I could let you guys know.
Yeah, it is. And then a lot of people
I'm missing one in one hand and the other one I have it.
And then we just get a percentage, let's say about how many people should we each do?
Let's do, we could do 100 easily.
All together?
I think how about, let's divvy up the responsibilities. Haley and I can easily get 200 people. We can easily go do it at BYUI. So we'll take care of that part, Bernice, if you want.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll take care of that part. We'll do
We'll just walk up to a bunch of random people.
Yeah.
Okay, so who wants to fill this out?
I would be more than willing. It's just that I'm out of town this weekend.
Okay. Is it due this Saturday?
Yeah.
11 o'clock? Okay.
I think even though it's due, we can still submit it whenever it's done.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what did Bernie say? It's kind of hard to hear through the computer to my phone.
So can we make, no, we can still make, can we make a Google document?
Yes.
I'm not really sure how to do that.
I know. I'll just copy all of it.
And
then go ahead, go next, and paste it in there.
Okay, yeah. So then we can all like write on it.
Yeah.
That might help, and we can like set up like each person fills in 5 questions.
Okay.
And so
Bernice, do you understand the research that is that okay with you? Testing for the absence of that one muscle.
No, you want to do something else? Oh my gosh,
no. Austin, are you asking me if I understand?
Yeah. Because me and Austin will, because we can take care of it. We can do it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we could gather the data.
And so once we find the data, then we'll just do all the math together.
Okay.
So you don't have to do the data.
Okay.
Don't worry about that. Since me and Austin are like together, we can do it.
Yeah, we're on campus and we could easily find 100 people.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we'll do that, and then we'll show you our data, and then we'll go through the math together.
Together. All right. I understand it.
So let's have our data, Austin, by tomorrow.
By tomorrow?
What's today?
So today is
Wednesday.
Today's Thursday.
Now.
Oh, today's Thursday.
Okay, today is Thursday. We have to get this approved, and then we can go collect data.
Yeah. So do you want to write out our question? What we're doing? What our data is?
Yeah, I'm looking to see the exact muscle of what it is.
Do you have that paper with you?
No, I'm trying to find it online right now.
Oh, we.
Because I could get the worksheet. But yeah, so we could work on this paper tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday. Yeah.
So what do
And
you?
then I'll put it into Google Docs, and I'll also send it to all of you guys, and I'll start filling stuff in, and if you guys can start filling stuff in.
That'd be perfect.
Okay, that's perfect.
And
I work 10 hours tomorrow, and I've got school, so I'm going to try to find time to do this, but... Okay, so it is the Palmares Longus.
yeah, it is. Austin.
Yeah.
So, do you have this up, the sheet up, right now?
The Palmares Longus sheet? Or
No.
which one?
Just
I have
like
them all up.
this sheet, the design to
Yes.
study. So, do you see
Yes.
where it says number 1, state your research question?
Yes.
Can you put in our research question, and then what do you do there? You just submit it to her so she can see it?
Mhm.
Send it to her?
Yeah, is that what it is? No, we have to fill the whole thing and then send it to her.
Oh.
Yeah, so this is where they approve it. This is the assignment that gets approved.
Oh, this whole entire thing?
Yeah.
Oh, dang.
Great, so we're gonna do it all, and if it doesn't get approved, hooray. Fourth fret, A position.
Mm,
Okay, I'm going to look at it more closely after this.
okay.
Okay, cool. And then I'm gonna get a Google Docs going right now.
Okay.
Any other questions? And I'll put more information in there, so Bernice, you can look at exactly what we're talking about.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then just, I think for right now, let's just like read through it all and like understand what it's asking, I guess.
All right. Okay.
Okay, and I'll try to find a good video of where somebody's testing for the muscle, and I'll put it into Google Docs for you to look at, Bernice.
Yeah.
Okay.
Even though you're just doing the math, like we don't have to do that.
Yeah, but just so she knows.
Yeah.
Just so she knows. I mean, we're all part of it.
Yeah, what we're doing. Okay, perfect. I'm gonna end this broadcast and post it onto the discussion board.
So,
Okay.
great.